Alrighty y'all, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you about this cool little four-copter drone, quadcopter drone I guess you could call it. This is from Syma, S-Y-M-A, and this is the X5SW version. They do have quite a few different model numbers that are up online. This one, yeah, it's X5SW. It's about, I would say, 2 years old. I got it from my brother for a little gift, and you know we were using it quite a bit for a while. It's a cool little fun thing to fly around, and just it's really great for people of any age. Kids can get a hold of it really easily or get the hang of it and learn to fly it around. Really without much fuss, without much struggle. So it's pretty cool. I really do love the four-copter design on this. Essentially, it allows you to fly it in pretty much any direction. A lot of these, especially if you remember the old RC kind of copters, RC planes and things like that, there was a head to each of the vehicles, and so basically you would have to fly it in that direction of whatever the head was facing. The cool thing about this is you can really take it off from any point and fly it in any direction, because you don't have to make sure that the head is pointed anywhere. Basically just works in 360 degrees, and it makes this thing much easier to fly as well, especially for people who aren't used to flying copters like this. And you also you come over here to the control. This thing rotates pretty much in 6 different directions, so you have the ability to fly it, not only just control it, I guess you could say, forward, reverse, left and right. You can also go diagonally. So it's very versatile in that sense of flying. For how inexpensive this thing is as well, the flight control is actually really solid. I mean, it's again very easy, very intuitive. When I got this for my little brother, he was 10, and so he was able to fly it around. And it was, nothing too crazy. Yeah, as you can see, also you have HD camera that is built in right here as well. This is probably one of the coolest features on this thing. You can take photos or videos with it, and basically you can use Wi-Fi to look at your photos and videos while you're flying. That's probably one of the coolest things about it. You can control everything on the camera from your iPhone or your Android. The phone can attach to the controller right here with this hook, so you can basically stick it in there, see what's going on, and also continue to fly it completely hands-free. Which is pretty awesome. Obviously, it's a very inexpensive drone, and so it's not the most high-quality camera in the world. But the fact that you can get pictures and videos from up high, it's pretty cool anyway. So I wouldn't stress too much about the quality of it. It does work 50 meters. So one of these is pretty great. You're not going to be flying this thing for miles. That's not what it's made for. It's really made for more for recreation. So you can fly it around, your neighborhood. You can fly it around the park, take it to the beach, fly it around there. And obviously you're not allowed to fly to the beach. Don't do that. But you can fly it up to 50 meters, which is pretty long. You got yourself a pretty good distance there. So as long as you keep it in sight, you should be all right. And then also, the last thing, it does charge using USB, and so it is pretty universal. You can you don't have to have the exact cord to actually charge it and get it going. Other than that, yeah, very simple. Obviously, it turns on. You can get it going. I'm not going to get it going in the house right now because it would be a little dangerous. Yeah, other than that, it's a very fun little thing. So if you are, maybe a young one, or brother, sister, whatever, you want to get something cool for them and something fun that you guys can do together, I would highly recommend this thing. Also, one last thing too, what I do love about this is we actually, the first couple months of having it, one of the motors burnt out, and we were kind of bummed out because we were thinking, oh, okay, well that's it. There's nothing we could do. This thing was cheap, whatever. We got to toss it. We actually looked online and we found a lot of the parts you can buy online, which is great. So we bought a motor and we replaced it. Didn't take long at all. Very simple, very easy process. and this thing was back up and running again. So, you know, well, we haven't really had any issues with that since then. But yeah, this thing is, again, just easy to repair, which, you know, I think makes it even better of a choice. It's like, okay, if something goes wrong, it's not going to cost me an arm and a leg to fix it. Also, it's not going to be the end of the world. There is pretty much everything you can do to repair it. So anyway, guys, check it out. This is the Syma X5SW Quadcopter drone. And yeah, alrighty guys, take it easy.